Auntie no didi mati bi moke. Didi mati. Uta morning de bishi na kandi bi re babo. Lachi loina maribo moi. Morning de kile kande ma. I'm going to kitchen. Also kitchen. Dani. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is Sunday today, and in our hostel on Sunday we usually get egg fry, omelette, just omelette. So it is so boring to have the dinner just with omelette. So because of that, today I am going to make one curry that is smoked pork with anishi. So this anishi, this is basically one of the famous ingredients or one of the famous dishes that are made and then mostly eaten by our community, kala sabji. So with this kala sabji, I'm going to make with smoked pork. So this is the smoked pork that I brought from my native village last time when I went back to my home, and this is one of the leftover meat from Aulian festival. So the ingredients that I'm going to use is smoked pork and that kala sabji, anishi, and some tomatoes, just the simple one. And I have some fermented bamboo shoot also. I'm going to add that also, and some green chili, ginger, and then I have garlic also. So I have requested our hostel helper for the kitchen, and she have allowed me to use it. So I'm going down to the kitchen to make this curry. So this is the first time that I'm going to make this kala sabji. Let's see how the result will come out. Anyway, I have some bamboo shoot also. I'm going to add some fermented bamboo shoot also. So from our kitchen, the water that are used in our kitchen, it's not that good. So because of that, I am taking water bottle of mine. Anyway, I was still romando pani kinina kai. So I'm going down. I'm going down. Anyway, this is also kind of. This is our kitchen, also kitchen, dining hall. This meat. Tomato. And then chili, we just do this. So two spoons, very big. This is sweet. That's salt. The main ingredients. Early morning earlier, so we're not passing again. It's I'm gonna take food. 아침 나밥도 줄이시도. 넌 나밥도 줄이시도. We have to keep in the hot case because we are going to have food after after a long hours. So that is why we usually keep in a hot case like this. Sabji na paka gere bahar ni pirawo. I'll just show our hostel. So this is the ground floor, compound, our hostel compound. Ui, Kriti, Babu, ki kure ase? Hello, Gobi.
Hello.
Hello, Gobi na. Babu ki le kandi ase, ha?
Hello. Bye. Hello, bye.
Kriti, school jai ase na naine?
Yes.
John ko jise.
Mami.
Mami.
Gumai desa.
John humai se. Bishi na kandi bide. Moi kali busong chips na diwa. Bishi na kandi bide. Ivy. Birawo Ivy. Auntie no hoy didi mati bi moke. Didi mati bi. Kuta. Ha? Kuta nisna lagabi ko ah. Ye camera te kuta nisna nai aro. Oh, itu change kuri kina. Acha. Kuta nisna filter do. Oh. Kuta nisna ye din ola do kuta nisna piche de de.
Itu saya nak ketemu piche de ko. Hello.
Hi. Hello, bye. Mala hostel lo sorti ta khana se bacha khanna.
Bacha khan
Morning de bishi na kandi bire babu. Lathi loina maribo moi. Morning de kile kande man bishi mo humaule na pare to morning de.
ekta ki bakruba.
Morning de bishi na kandi bire. Next time na morning de kandile moi niga camera de record na korobo aro moi chips kinina na dio de. Pola moi chips kinina dishna.
Hai.
Niga na dio de moi. De na kandi bire.
Na tabluba. Chips pe duty se mithai pe duty se moran pe kuri tikse. Eta pura
So guys, it's cook. So called kala sabji. So my kala sabji is ready. Kina koi du jane? Kala sabji koi du makan.
kala sabji.
Kala sabji. Bacha khan kha jata hai bishi jalo. Kala sabji, rice and omelette, and then this is dal curry. And who is this? This is Kriti. Chatterbox Kriti. sis. Oi to sabji loi lobi na. Iko na hoy ami khai lobi. Kila. Like kina type. Choka de. It seems our earring got lost, so we are helping her searching her earring. Itai la earring harai se bose. Paise amni. Tela earring.
This one.
Hoi hoi loi lobi. Body jai na ki korbo? Ki? Didi to room de jabo. Didi to room de jabo. তাই তো এইটো কেমেৰা দে আইলে মান মন bye bye. This is our kitchen scene. It's kind of messy but still there. Anyway, she's our helper. Hoi hoi loi lobi. So she left this bowl for me. Lady's finger ka boil here. Hat pa lo. Hindi, pakit mo na. Sa sabi